Explain. Just explain the 5 stages. I have already explained the 5 steps of the lytic life cycle of T4 bacteriophage. Now I would like to know what have you understood. Let me know, Daraksha. Tell me all the 5 steps. Name of the 5 steps of the lytic life cycle. I ask you only to name the 5 steps involved in the lytic life cycle of the bacteriophage. Explain only the name.
Sir, first one is absorption. The second one is penetration. Third one is ellipse, and fourth one is maturation, and the fifth one is lysis. Sir?
Yes, I am hearing. The first step you have just told. The first step is the
Absorption.
infection or adsorption. The second is penetration or
Penetration.
the step is the third step is ellipse latency. Fourth step is
Maturation.
the fifth step is release of lysis. One of you, Radha, tell me the definition of the infection. How will you explain the adsorption or infection? What happens in the first step?
Sir, I know, but I can't explain.
You must explain.
No, sir, I can't. Very nervous.
Why are you nervous?
I don't know, but I'm nervous. I know, but I can't explain.
Daraksha, explain. Radha is not explaining. Daraksha can explain. Explain.
Sir, in T4 बैक्टीरियोफेज जो होता है वो कांटेक्ट में बैक्टीरिया सेल के कांटेक्ट में आता है.
Yes.
एंड सुनो राधा, तुम मेरे को देख रही है क्या?
हाँ, दिख रही हो.
Explain. हाँ, continue. Daraksha, continue your answer. You are going in right.
Kill them, sir.
Yes, sir.
Daraksha is explaining the answer, explaining the meaning of
absorption, sir. Absorption.
Explain again. Continue your explanation. Continue to explain.
मेरा कोई आवाज सुन रहा है या नहीं?
सुन रहा. We all are listening to you.
सर, मुझे क्यों नहीं पूछ रहे? मेरे को पता है, उस टाइम भी चिल्लाते रह गए, मुझसे पूछे नहीं, आप एक्सप्लेन कर दे.
तुम बताओ. टेल मी.
आपको कुछ बताने वाले है ही नहीं. कब से चिल्ला रहे, मतलब कोई मेरी बात सुन ही नहीं रहा है.
तुम्हारी आवाज नहीं आ रही है. बोलो. Explain what is infection, what is adsorption. Explain the first step. Explain the first step. Any one of you.
Sir, upper layer of leaf.
सर, सबसे पहले T4 बैक्टीरियोफेज जो है बैक्टीरिया सेल के कांटेक्ट में आता है.
यस,
वही हम बोल रहे हैं. इतना देर से कोई मेरा सुन ही नहीं रहा.
हम सुन रहे हैं.
मेरी बात कुछ
हम सबको तीनों को सुन रहे हैं. हाँ, बोलो. 3 persons are connected with me. Daraksha और राधा और इस तरफ कौन है? हेलो,
पिंकी.
बोलो.
सर चिल्ला रहे.
पिंकी, तुम्हारा फेस नहीं दिख रहा है.
दिख रहा है हमको. बोलो. हमको दिख रहा है.
पुअर कनेक्शन. सर, मेरा फोन में नेट. आंसर बोलो. वी आर वेटिंग फॉर योर आंसर.
डोंट मेक डिले. आंसर करो जल्दी से. In case, what is the receptor site? Daraksha, what is the receptor site? What is the chemical nature of receptor site?
Chemical nature means, I don't, मतलब क्या पूछना चाह रहे?
Receptors, the bacteriophage, when
सर रिसेप्टर साइट वो होता है जो बैक्टीरिया सेल के सरफेस पे प्रेजेंट होता है.
Yes, this is a specific region of the bacterial cell surface consisting of polysaccharide mannose का बना होता है. mannose protein का बना होता है.
ये सर जो बैक्टीरिया के सेल पे प्रेजेंट होता है सर वही ना।
बैक्टीरिया के सेल के सरफेस पर प्रेजेंट होता है, वहीं पर बैक्टीरियोफेज अटैच होगा. The bacteriophage gets attached at the bacteriophage get attached at the receptor site. When the bacteriophage comes in contact with the bacterial cell, the bacteriophage searches the receptor site located in the bacterial cell with the help of tail fiber. And you also know that the tail at the tip of the tail fiber some degradative enzymes are located, and that enzymes brings up hydrolyze the polysaccharide to form a tunnel, and through that tunnel the bacteriophage comes in contact with the bacterial cell wall, and this stage is known as adsorption. Simply adsorption. What is adsorption? The coming together. What is adsorption? How will you define the adsorption in this way, that the
bacteria
bacteria comes with the bacterial cell surface. This stage is known as adsorption. And what happens in this step? The bacteriophage gets attached at the point of receptor site, and it is the tail pin which fixes the bacteriophage at the receptor site. This is the first step. In the second step, the tail core penetrates the bacterial cell wall and cell membrane. Okay, and it takes place due to the contraction of the tail sheath of the bacteriophage, and as a result of it, the tail core penetrates the bacterial cell, and through the tail core, the DNA present in the head of the bacteriophage is injected inside the bacterial cell. This is called the injection or penetration. Now let us see the third step. In the third step, the viral DNA takes control of the bacterial host cell machinery. That all the processes of protein synthesis, replication of bacterial DNA stop in the presence of the viral DNA inside the bacterial cell. This happens in the eclipse, and the viral DNA replicates itself to produce its own type. About 250 to 300 new viral DNA are produced inside the bacterial cell, and it is followed by formation of or synthesis of the viral code protein, which are encoded by the viral gene located on the phage DNA. And both the replication of DNA and synthesis of code protein take place during the eclipse phase, which is also known as latent phase. What happens in the next stage, which is assembly or maturation? In this stage, the viral DNA associate with the viral protein to form the new progeny T4 bacteriophages, and their number varies from 250 to 300. At first, the newly synthesized viral DNA gets entry into the viral head protein. Then the tail is fixed, and then other part like the tail plate is fixed to the newly synthesized progeny phase. In the final step, with lysis, the bacterial cell gets packed with a large number of the newly synthesized bacteriophages, which are known as progeny phages, as a result of which the bacterial cell ruptures, and all the new ruptures, and the death of the bacterial cell takes place, and new viruses and about 250 to 300 new progeny phages are released outside, which can again infect the new bacterial cell. In this way, the lytic life cycle of bacteriophage is continued. So this is all about the lytic life cycle of bacteriophage. This is very important for your exam. In your examination, you will be asked to describe the structure and multiplication or a structure or life cycle of bacteriophage. Then you will have to draw the structure of bacteriophage, explain the structure in detail, and then you will have to describe the life cycle. This question is asked in a full question, subjective type question, or you may be asked to write short notes on the lytic life cycle. You may be asked to write short notes on the T4 bacteriophage, and you may also be asked to differentiate between the lytic and lysogenic life cycle. In the next lecture, we will study lysogenic life cycle and I will make a distinction. I will describe the different various differences between the lytic and lysogenic life cycle in the next lecture. I have already sent you the PPT on this. I prepared a PPT on this, and I have loaded my PPT on this WhatsApp group. And now I am going to upload the notes on the lytic life cycle of bacteriophages. You must go through that note and you must write in your own handwriting in your copy. And if you have any problem, you can ask me in the next lecture. Am I clear to all of you?
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes.
One by one, I would like to know the at least one line on each 5 steps from तीनों में. All of you, one by one tell me what have you learned today. जो आप सीखे हैं उसके बारे में थोड़ा बताइए.
क्या बस हम बोलते हैं सर, उसके बाद पिंकी तुम बोलना, तुम बार-बार कर रहा हूँ मत.
one by one
कर रहे हैं.
tell me one by one.
सर फर्स्ट में हम बोल रहे हैं, सर तुम बोलते हैं सर.
अच्छा पिंकी को बोलने दो, उसी को बोलने दो.
फर्स्ट हम बोलेंगे.
ठीक है,
बोलो पिंकी.
दोनों पहले फाइट कर लो.
नहीं पिंकी तुम ही बोलो, जाओ.
ठीक.
सबसे पहले टीफो बैक्टीरियोफेज सेल बैक्टीरिया सेल के कांटेक्ट में आता है. सर सुन रहे मेरे? हाँ मेरा बात सुन रहे. तुम इतना गड़बड़ा रही हो ना.
सुन रहे हैं, बोलो.
उसके बाद वो रिसेप्टर साइट को ये बैक्टीरियोफेज जो है उस बैक्टीरियल सेल के सरफेस पे रिसेप्टर साइट जो प्रेजेंट रहता है विथ उसके बाद उसके हेल्प से टेल की हेल्प से वो
टेल फाइबर के हेल्प से. ठीक है, बोलो. आई कंटिन्यू.
गलत तो बोल रहे हैं.
ठीक है,
गलत तो
नहीं, एकदम सही बोल रहे हो.
सब तुम पता नहीं. अरे वो समझ में नहीं, कुछ आवाज ही नहीं आ रहा, कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा. पता नहीं कोई मेरा आवाज सुन भी रहा है या नहीं सुन रहा. हम लोग आवाज सुन रहे हैं, नहीं सुनेंगे तो बोल देंगे. तुम अभी बोल रही हो, ठीक बोल रही, तुम बोलो ना.
नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है.
हाँ तुम बोलो. फोन में नेटवर्क ही नहीं, कुछ आवाज ही नहीं आ रहा. पुअर कनेक्शन, रिकनेक्ट.
अच्छा ठीक है, तुम बोलो जरा. तुम बोलो, एक आदमी कोई बोलो, कोई
बोल रहे. अब हम चुप रहे हैं. सर हम लोग जो पढ़ रहे हैं लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ बैक्टीरियोफेज, उसमें वेरुलेंट फेज आज पढ़ रहे हैं, जिसमें 5 ये है, मतलब 5 स्टेप है. फर्स्ट स्टेप है एडसॉर्प्शन, सेकंड वन इज ये पेनिट्रेशन, थर्ड वन इज मैचुरेशन, थर्ड वन इज सर इलिप्स, fourth one is maturation and fifth one is lysis. सबसे पहले बैक्टीरियोफेज जो होता है वो बैक्टीरिया सेल के कांटेक्ट में आता है विद द हेल्प ऑफ रिसेप्टर साइट, और वो रिसेप्टर साइट वो ये बैक्टीरिया के अंदर जो जाता है सरफेस पे.
ठीक है. हेलो दरक्षा. हेलो.
यस सर.
ठीक है तुम्हारा.
हेलो.
ठीक है, अभी हम जो नोट अपलोड किए हैं, हेलो, उसको पढ़ लो.
वीडियो पॉज हो जाए. क्या हुआ ये?
I am just going to upload a note on this T4 bacteriophage life cycle. Go through that note and prepare your own note अपने कॉपी में पेज पर लिख कर. अगर if you have any problem, ask in the next lecture. Am I clear?
Yes.
Yes.
आवाज नहीं आ रहा. नेटवर्क कहाँ गया इसका?
Now let us stop the classes.
Okay sir.
Okay sir.
चलो. Thank you.
Thank you sir.